Hey there, Alex Kidman with my quick video review of the Apple Smart Battery Case for iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. Here I've got it in the 11 Pro, and Apple's big claim for this is that it adds up to 50% more battery life. They don't actually tell you how much battery it's got, that's the Apple way. For the 11 Pro Max, for that to be true, it's probably rocking around 2,000 milliamps, give or take. And does it live up to that battery billing? Well, yeah, it does. Obviously, your usage can vary quite a lot, but in my case, it tends to take it from about a 2-day phone to a pretty easy 3-day phone. So there's a big benefit to be had there. One of the other things I do like about it is that it is nice and easy to install. Here you can see just the case itself, and if we grab the phone, I can show you how easy it is to install, because you pretty much just bend that top bit back just a little bit, slide the phone down in onto the lightning connector, pop the top on, and it'll even show you how much power it's got. It's also nice and easy to take off. It charges via lightning, of course, but it'll also do wireless charging, albeit a little bit slower. So what do I not like? Well, look, obviously it adds a fair bit of weight to the phone itself. It also makes the mute switch just that little bit harder to hit. Not impossible by any stretch, but certainly if you're used to having the phone without a case or with a very thin case, it's a little tougher. Then there's the camera shutter button, and this one I'm a little bit torn on. I like the idea of having a separate camera shutter. It's nice and easy to find. You're not going to hit it accidentally. But the problem is it only works with Apple's own camera app when it defaults. So for example here, I want to take this photo of the Prince box set using the Obscura app. I hit the shutter button, and what happens? It switches over to Apple's own camera app. It hasn't even taken the photo yet, by the way. And that's really annoying and limiting. I wish they just made it so that it worked with every iOS camera app, because there's quite a few really good ones. So, should you buy it? Well, look, if you've got an 11 or an 11 Pro, maybe not the Pro Max, because the battery life on that's pretty good, then yeah, it's a worthwhile buy if you're always running out of power. But you do pay for it in weight, you do pay for it in that the camera button doesn't work with every app. It'll set you back around $199. So that's your lot. What do you reckon? Are you keen on this case? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.